हेलो फ्रेंड, आज हम क्लास 11 फिजिक्स चैप्टर न्यूटन लॉ ऑफ मोशन का फर्स्ट लेक्चर टॉपिक्स फ्रिक्शन लेकर आया हूँ। ये टॉपिक्स बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट्स है फॉर न्यूमेरिकल WBJE एंड अदर्स कॉम्पिटिटिव इंजीनियरिंग एंड मेडिकल एग्जामिनेशन। द फर्स्ट टॉपिक ऑफ द लॉज ऑफ मोशन, टॉपिक्स फ्रिक्शन। चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। First time we discuss about what is friction. What is friction? This is the horizontal plane or ground, consider ground, then a body or a block which mass is m. This is the horizontal plane or consider ground. Then one block is kept on the horizontal line. The mass of the block is m. Then if applied force applied on the block, suppose we applied force F or apply on the block for the purpose of the moving of the body during the positive x-axis. That means body move along the positive y-axis, this direction. So the applied force, opposite direction of the applied force, this is the direction of the applied force. Then the opposite direction means this direction, the other force are created, that is friction force. Friction force always created in between the midpoint of the block and the road or ground. That means always friction can be created opposite the applied force in between the block and the road, of the midpoint in between the block and the road or ground. This is the friction force F. F always the direction of friction force always opposite direction of applied force. That means F. Applied force. Then the friction force always form in between the road or ground and the object This is the normal concept of friction. Friction created always applied force opposite direction of the applied force. That means this FBD, full body diagram, this FBD, the applied force direction according to diagram, positive x-axis, F, direction of F, positive x-axis. So friction force, that means F, friction force direction negative x-axis. Then other terms is coefficient of friction. Coefficient of friction is denoted by mu. Coefficient of friction denoted by mu. This mu always function in between the touching point of the block and the road. This is the coefficient of friction. The coefficient of friction are two types. Coefficient of static friction, it is denoted by mu suffix s, and another is coefficient of kinetic friction. Kinetic friction. This is denoted by mu suffix k. This is the two type of coefficient of friction. One is static coefficient of static friction and another is coefficient of kinetic friction. It is denoted by mu s and this is the denoted by mu k. What is static friction? What is static friction? What is mean by static friction? What is mean by static friction? If friction force greater than applied force, this is the condition of static friction. If friction force greater than applied force, then body in rest condition, that means velocity 0, body in rest condition, that means body rest condition means velocity is equal to 0. V means velocity. What is static friction? Static friction means body are in rest condition. Body in rest condition. Body in rest condition. If the friction force, what is the static friction? Body in rest condition. This is meant by static friction. What is the condition of static friction? In which condition supported the static friction? If friction force, that means small f. Friction force is always greater than the applied force. This is the applied force. This is the applied force. This is the applied force and this is the friction force. This is the friction force. So the friction force, if friction force greater than applied force, then the type of friction is static friction. What is the mean by static friction? That means body in rest condition. That means its velocity is 0. If the object velocity is 0, then the body are static condition. This is the mean by static friction. Then I reagain summary. What is the friction? Friction, first time draw the everyday full body diagram. Full body diagram. If the horizontal line are consider ground or road, then one object which mass is m placed on the road. Then the applied force F applied on the block for the purpose of moving of the body along the positive x-axis. Then the opposite reaction force, that means friction force, small f denoted by friction force. Friction force are created opposite direction of the applied force. This is the friction force, and in the direction of the friction force always the opposite direction of the applied force. Then the coefficient of friction, this is denoted by mu. Coefficient of friction created in between the block and the touching point of the road. In between the block and the touching point, that means this position. This position are formed by coefficient of friction. Coefficient of friction are two types. There is one coefficient of static friction and another is coefficient of kinetic friction. What is static friction? Static friction means body in rest condition, or main condition for the static friction if the friction force greater than applied force, that means small f. If that means friction force F greater than applied force, this is the condition, then the body is rest in condition, the resultant velocity is 0, so body is static condition, then body cannot move forwardly. This is the criteria for the static friction. And in this, for this purpose of the static friction, always coefficient of kinetic friction, that means mu. For static friction, consider mu s, always mu s. Consider mu s. mu suffix x. This is the static friction. Please इसको note down कर ले quickly. Then we again the next coefficient of kinetic friction and its derivative and also numerical problem. Please इसको छाप ले quickly. Then we discuss the numerical problem of the static friction. Then I discuss the numerical problem of the static friction. This is the FBD. Mass 10 kg. The block mass is 10 kg. The coefficient of friction between the rod and the block, one is mu s, that means that this data is given if the mu s data is given 0.2 and the mu k data is given 0.5. Suppose the data mu s given 0.2 and the mu k is equal to 0.5 and the applied force F is equal to 20 Newton. Then type of question, first, which type of friction occurs? Which type of friction occurs? Which type of frictions occur? Next question, determine the friction force. Determine the friction force. Friction force. This is the two type question. Then first time answer. First time you draw the FPD. This is the 10 kg mass. The mass of the object is 10 kg. 10 kg. Applied force F is equal to data supplied 20 Newton. Then also two data supply, the coefficient of friction are data 2 given. One is mu s, that means coefficient of static friction value 0.2 and also given mu k, coefficient of kinetic friction 0.5. Then you first, we know that the friction force always form the opposite direction of the applied force. This friction is known as F limiting. This is the limiting value of, this is the limiting, F limiting. First time we consider the friction force of limiting, that means limiting value. The direction of the F limiting always opposite direction of applied force. The formula of F limiting, F limit is equal to always mu s into R. This is the formula of F limiting, that means limiting friction force. What is F limiting? F limiting means limiting friction force. Limiting friction force. Limiting friction force. What is the formula of F limiting? Mu s into R. What is the R? R is normal reaction. Normal reaction. This is the data supplied. R is the normal reaction. F limiting is the limiting force of friction. The formula of F limiting mu s into R. Then what is the R value? What is the value of normal reaction? If we consider one block mass m, then its weight always directed towards the downward position. that means mg, the weight of the body, mg always directed downward position. Then ground also created same type of force on the block. This is the normal reaction R. These are two balance, R and mg are two type of force are. This is the normal force, this is the weight of the body. Weight of the body is a type of force which always directed downward position. Then according to Newton third law, the ground also created an opposite force on the block in the opposite direction. This is the normal reaction. R and mg are balanced. Then the body is rest condition. Then the body is equilibrium state. R is equal to mg. So we put this value mu s into R. R means mg. The normal reaction always balance the body mg. So the body is in equilibrium condition. Then we put the value of mg. So second formula of Ab limiting is, mu s into R or mu s into mg. This is the value Ab limiting, mu s into mg. If value of Ab limiting, greater than applied force, that means if this condition support static friction, type of friction. Which type of friction? Static friction. So the given question, we check this data. The diagram, the weight of the body always directed downward. That means weight, the formula of weight, mass into acceleration. What is the weight of the body? Mass supplied 10 kg into acceleration. Acceleration means small g. This is the weight of the body. This directed always downward. Then the ground also opposite force, that is normal reaction R, are created on the opposite direction of the gravitation force. This is the R normal reaction. So R value is, according to data, R value is 10 into g. According to full body diagram, the normal reaction value is 10 into g. The g value data also given. G, the value of g in SI unit is 9.8 or 10 meter per second square. This is the SI value of gravitation, acceleration due to gravity. This is the acceleration due to gravity, g, small g denoted acceleration due to gravity. The numerical value of g always constant. This is the constant quantity. This value is in SI unit 9.8 or near about 10 meter per second square. Then we put the equation, then we put the value, this formula, then we calculate the normal reaction value. So please इसको quickly छाप लो किताब में. This is the main point. The static friction condition if limiting force greater than applied force. These conditions support static friction. So we can first time check the numerical value of Ab limit. What is the equation for the numerical value of Ab limit? This is the equation, mu s into normal reaction, or second equation, Ab limiting is equal to mu s into mg. According to data, this data is given. So we first calculate the Ab limiting. Then I saw the second numerical value of applied force. If the two forces are, this condition is support, then this is the static friction. So we can determine the free body diagram. Then the type of friction is, so I draw the full body diagram of this question. This is the rod, this is the block, the mass of block is 10 kg. Then we first time draw the full body diagram, FBD. The mass weight always directed downwards. What is the formula of weight of the body? Mass into acceleration, that means g. What is g? G is acceleration due to gravity. This is the weight. Weight is a type of force. Always it is directed downward position. Then the ground, this is the road or ground. This ground also created the opposite same type of force and same value of force in the opposite direction. This is called R. R is the normal reaction. R always balance mg. R always balance mg. The formula of then the first time numerical value R is equal to normal reaction is equal to mass 10 kg into G. G value can be given 9.8 or 10 meter per second square. So this is the 980, that means this Newton. So the normal reaction value is 98 Newton. 98.0 means 98 Newton. Then first time you calculate the normal reaction. The second process, you calculate F limiting friction of force. What is the value of limiting friction of force? That means mu s into R. We put the value, the two data is given, mu s is equal to 0.2 and mu k is equal to 0.5. Then which mu also can be given in this formula? Always mu s. Mu s is the coefficient of static friction, not given mu k. Always F limiting formula is mu s into R, not mu k into R. So the value of mu s 0.2, the R value 98 Newton. So answer 19.6 Newton. 19.6 Newton. This is the F limiting value. Then you show the applied force value of the diagram. Applied force value is given 20 Newton. Applied force. So the applied force given 20 Newton. So we seen these two data. The F limiting value is 19.6 Newton and the applied force is 20 Newton. So the condition is F limiting value less than applied force F. According to this data, the limiting force are always, the limiting force value is less than the applied force. Applied force, this is the condition of kinetic friction, not static friction. Not static friction, kinetic friction. That means applied force 20 Newton and the F limiting value 19.6 Newton. So two type of force. Applied force 20 Newton, F limiting or limiting friction force 19.6 Newton. So the net force always, this is the 20 Newton, this is 19.6 Newton. Then the value of applied force is greater than F limiting. So the body can move forwardly. So this is not static condition. This is the accelerated motion, that means kinetic friction. This is the kinetic friction. Then if the body are under kinetic friction, then second type of question, first answer kinetic friction. What is the condition of kinetic friction? What is the condition of kinetic friction? If F limiting value is less than applied force, then the nature of the friction is kinetic friction. According to question, the applied force 20 Newton, limiting force 19.6 Newton. So applied force must be greater than F limiting. So the body, this force, applied force, can be moved forwardly due to highest value of applied force is greater than of limiting force. So the body can move forwardly. Body move forwardly. So this result, the net force always created along the positive x-axis. This is the condition of kinetic friction. Then this question, the type of friction is kinetic friction. Second type of question, determine of the friction force. If then the formula, if friction is kinetic friction, first check type of friction. If friction is kinetic friction, then friction force is equal to mu k into R. If type of friction is kinetic friction, then friction force must be formula. What is the formula of kinetic friction force? That is mu k into R. So according to data, so the friction force friction force is equal to mu k into r, not mu s. If friction force is kinetic friction, then friction force is mu k into r. Mu k data is 0.5. R value also given 98 Newton. So answer 49.0 Newton. This is the answer of friction force. So two type of friction, static friction and kinetic friction. If data is given mu s, mu k, applied force, then you first draw the full body diagram. Weight always downward position. This is the numerical value of weight. Mass into acceleration. This is the formula of weight. Then the ground or road can create opposite force on the block. This is the normal reaction R. According to Newton's third law, the R always balances the weight of the body. So R is equal to mg. The G value, the G means acceleration due to gravity. This value is 9.8 or near about 10. So this value is given 98 Newton. So the normal reaction is 98 Newton. Then second step, you calculate limiting force. Limiting force created opposite, always the opposite direction of the applied force. So A limiting value is formula mu s into R. R value is given 98 Newton. Mu s also given 0.2 Newton. So the limiting force of friction, that means A limiting value is 19.6 Newton. Next, you saw the applied force data. Applied force data is in this question is 20 Newton. So in these two data you can scan, then you can result the limiting force, that this limiting force is less than applied force. So this condition can support the kinetic friction. So that this which type of friction can occur in this case? Kinetic friction. Then you second question also be calculated, that determine the friction force. This is the formula. This is the formula. If type of friction is kinetic friction, then friction force formula is mu k into r. This is the kinetic friction force value, mu k into r. This is the very important for type of friction and their friction force. If friction is kinetic friction, then friction force formula is mu k into r. Also data is given, mu k value also given. You can put the number of the friction force is 49 Newton in this case. Next, please इसको quickly किताब में छाप लो. Then the next class we can discuss about kinetic static friction and their numerical problem, and also pushing force and their numerical derivative. Thank you.